Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. We are from AS1204G. Today our group will be presenting about the wildlife conservation and breeding program at Pusat Konservasi Hidupan Liar for code BIO330. So, this is the contents of our video. These are two places that we visited on our field trip. The first place is Lancang Biodiversity Institute. It is a conservation and research centre located in Pahang, Malaysia. It plays a key role in protecting the country's rich biodiversity through various research, breeding and conservation programs. The institute focuses on endangered species like Malayan tiger. The second place is Elephant Sanctuary, named National Elephant Conservation Centre, NECC. The Elephant Sanctuary was established in 1989 within the Crow Wildlife Reserve and is managed by the Malaysian Department of Wildlife and National Parks. Here, many orphan elephants are raised and given shelter. Now, I will present about the taxonomic description of the elephant. The domain of elephant is Eukarya. Next, the kingdom of elephant is Animalia. Then, elephant is classified under the phylum Chordata. The elephant is in the class Mammalia. Next, it belongs to the order Proboscidea. Moreover, the elephant is the member of the family Elephantidae. Furthermore, genus of elephant is Elephas. The species name is Maximus. So, the full scientific name of Asian elephant is Elephas maximus.
Next, I will talk about the habitat and characteristic of elephant. Elephant inhabit variety of environment across South and Southeast Asia, such as Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia. Elephants' habitat are tropical and subtropical forests, which is the dry and moist place. The second one is mid forest, which is the deciduous and evergreen forest. And elephant require access to fresh water for them to bath. There are 5 characteristics that I will talk about. The first one is size. The size of an elephant can be from 2.4 until 3.5 meters tall and up to 6,000 kg. The second one is ears. Their ears are large and fan-like ears. Their trunk is an elongated nose and the upper lips. The tusk is large and it is elongated incisor teeth, which only on male elephant. And the last one is their skin. Their skin is a thick, wrinkled and grayish in color. Elephant diet is herbivorous, which they eat grass, leaf, bark, fruits like banana and bamboo. They can eat more than 150 kg of food daily.
There is a few fun facts of elephant that I want to share. Firstly, elephants have the larger brain of any land animal, weighing around 11 pounds and it's about 3 times the size of a human brain. These large brains support their impressive memory, intelligence and complex social behavior and making them one of the smartest animals on earth. Secondly, despite their enormous size and energy need, while elephants sleep surprisingly little, which only about 2 hours a day on average. Unlike many animals, they often sleep while standing up, especially in the wild, to remain alert and ready to flee from predator if needed. This limited sleep pattern is believed to be influenced by their constant need to travel long distance in search of food and water, as well as their need to stay vigilant in potentially dangerous environments. Occasionally, they may lie down to sleep more deeply, but this is rare and usually occur in very safe conditions. Next, elephants are surprisingly strong and skilled swimmers, capable of crossing rivers and even swimming long distance. They move through the water using a combination of leg movement and floating, which helps support their massive body. One of the most unique adaptations is the ability to use their long trunk as snorkels and allowing them to breathe while most of their body are submerged. This remarkable ability not only showcases their intelligence but also helps them survive in diverse environments, especially during seasonal migration or when searching for food and water. Lastly, according to the World Wildlife Fund, African elephant have larger rounded ear while Asian elephant have smaller oval-shaped one. This ear shape help identify the species and also aid in cooling.
So now let's talk about why elephants are so important, not just to the environment but also to our economy. Starting with ecology, elephants are often called as ecosystem engineers. That is because they shape their environment in many ways. Other than that, they also act as seed dispersers and they also support our biodiversity. And last but not least, in dry area, elephants dig for water in dry riverbeds. For example, this water resource management creates drinking spot for other animals as well. Now, looking at the economic side, elephants play a huge role in tourism. Many people visit national park just to see these magnificent animals, which bring in tourism revenue. Not only that, they also support employment and livelihoods, from safari guide to local artisans who create elephant-themed craft. Moreover, in many cultures, elephants have religious and cultural significance, often seen as symbol of wisdom, strength, or good fortune. And finally, protecting elephants also promotes sustainable development. Conservation programs not only protect wildlife but also improve education, infrastructure, and quality of life in nearby communities. So elephants are not just wild animals, they are also vital contributors to both nature and the economy.
So next is what do we gain from this field trip? So this field trip gives us a chance to learn outside the classroom in more fun and exciting way. So it helps us to see the things that we learn in the class by applying in our real life. For example, how taxidermy is done by the expert and the close-up to the specimen of taxidermy of Institute Biodiversity Perhilitan. We also get to feed on elephant and see their cute behavior during the shows. We were amazed during the show because they are very smart and we also excited when we see the specimen in real life. Then, this field trip also helped us to work together with friends, improve our social skills and allow us to practice responsibility. For this field trip, we need to divide our group into 2 teams so that we get to record the video for the shows at Pusat Konservasi Gajah Kebangsaan due to the same show times. Hence, it shows us teamwork, managing time and navigating a family place are very important to achieve this assignment. So this type of activity helps us to become more confident in decision making and communicate with other people. So field trip also can teach us about nature, history and science in the hands of experience which deepens understanding and memory. This visit helped us to explore new subject and future career. Most of all, they make learning more interesting and help us discover new things that we might not learn from the books.
Sekarang kita orang ada dekat Institute Biodiversity.
Thank you. Bye.